Hi, welcome to smsad.online. Today our video is about how to clean your file. To clean your file, there are some requirements you need to follow and some steps. Requirement is Requirements are when if you are a Mac user, you need to follow TextEdit app. If you are a Windows user, you need to download Notepad++ on your PC. By default, you have a Notepad, just only Notepad, but you need to download Notepad++. If you are not, if you are not sure how to download it, so you can go ahead and go to smsad.info and click on tutorials and click on tools for cleaning file and click here download. Once you do this thing, install it, go ahead and follow these steps. Remove all your symbols, all the empty spaces, all the dashes, all quotes. No quotes should be there in the context or names. No brackets, no parentheses, no empty lines, no duplicated contacts, no empty columns. These things to be noted. Point number 7. This is basically an empty line. When you edit the file with the Notepad++, you will see the empty line here, empty line like this. Okay, now procedures. You should have two columns, for one for name, column A for names and column B for receiver, and type anything in the H column. In H column, when you type something, you get commas. You get 6 commas at the end of each row, and that's why it's important. Save a CSV, and which make sure it's UTF-8, and most of the laptop it's comma delimited, known as like this. Okay, comma delimited, and CSV UTF-8 comma delimited. Edit with the text edit or Notepad++. Okay, only CSV file can be edited, not Excel. Once you clean your file, repeat step G, which means step 19. Basically it's step 9, step 7. Repeat step 7, and once you do this thing, save the file and never open it again with the Excel file. After all these steps before upload. Okay, before you upload the file, you should open it last time. It should be opened with a TextEdit and or Notepad++, so to have a clean file and without any issues. Now if your file is according to this, it will be totally ready, and you can upload it. Some of the shortcut keys that you need to follow is Control A for selecting all contents or contacts, whatever, and Control S for shortcut key for saving, okay, in Notepad++, and Control C for copy selection, and V for pasting your copy data, and Control D is used in the Notepad++ for data duplication, and Control F for dialog cleaning or replacing a file. So it's for opening a dialog. It can easily be accessed by going to the search and click file. You can see the shortcut from here. If you take mouse over on the search and you see this thing here, Control F. So many other shortcut here also you need to follow it. Once you have this thing, once you understand these, let's go ahead and clean the file. I have a file here on my desktop. Here's my file. This one is original. This one is original. I copied some data to this file. Okay, and this is XLS format, and this should be the CSV. You will always work with the CSV file because you will need a CSV file to upload. Okay, now I will open this file and I'll see how it looked like. So it looked like this. I'll delete this thing and make it clear for you, and I'll try do it again. If I want to have names, if I don't have names for smsad, then I'll do this way. I'll type something here, smsad or whatever you type, and let's suppose I put this 1. If I want to do all these steps, according to a number, if I want to serialize it according to a numbers, I'll simply hit this plus this dot double time, and it will happen like this. And mouse over here on the gray and the B column end, and do it like this, so it will automatically reorganize. Now I will save the file as CSV browse desktop, and I already have it, but I just save it for you. Yes, close this thing, open this file with Notepad++, and here you have it. You have the CSV file open in Notepad++. Go ahead to the search or press Ctrl F and find out this thing. Again, Ctrl F. I show you this thing and hit this thing. Hit Ctrl F. I click on replace and click replace all. This should be empty. No spaces should be there. And continue to repeat all of them again and again until you clear it. So once you clean it, it will look like this. Once you clean it, it will look like this. Now take a look on this. This number is more than like 11 digit or something. Okay, so I will remove it, and now I will open again the file with the Excel file to remove the duplication. So if you see here, if you do like this, double click on this, you will see the duplicate. So I want to remove it directly. Maybe you have a bigger file, you want to do these things on the easy way, so that's why I want to show you the easy way. It's in the Excel file, and also I will remove the plus sign from here to make it exactly according to your format. So now I'll save it by pressing Ctrl S or floppy disk. I save the file. I open it with Excel, and once I open it with Excel, once done, mouse over this and click on this column B and hit conditional remove duplicate values and select by default this, and it will show you the duplication. Either you can remove it directly or you can do it this way. Go to data, click filter, by color, select continue to the selection, sort. If you don't want to do this way, you can only see this way. If you want to do it on the easiest format, so you can go ahead and click on the remove duplicates here. Once you do this thing, okay, and it's removed. One duplicate found, and it has removed the value. Now I click again. I have no duplication here, and I'll see again here. Double click on it, and I'll see if my file is completely ready or not. Now my file is completely ready, but I need to open it with the Notepad++ again. So I'll save it by pressing Ctrl S and or go to save and do this way. Yes, before I save it, I'll put something in the first row in the column H, and then I'll save it. This is because to get the 6 commas at the file end. Now here's the file, and it's almost clean up. Okay, so what we have to do is open it with the Notepad++, and I just put some information here on the Excel in this column in the first row. Remember, you have to put only in the first row, and something that you anything you type. Okay, so when I do so, I'll go back to the file, and I'll close this. Once I do it, so I'll open the file with the Notepad++ by going like this, and where my file is my file.csv that I just tried to clean and modified. So can you see this thing at the end? Every row has comma, 6 commas, 1 2 3 4 5 6 commas. Okay, and I will remove this at the end of this row. And remember, I told you in this tab to remove the empty line from the end of the file from the same file. So this what I mean here. is you have 7 number line, and I just remove it, and now my file is clean totally and it's ready. Now if I want to upload it, I'll simply choose in automatic uploader. I'll simply choose or go to the automatic uploader and smsad.online and click on contact upload center. When I do this thing, it will load a page, and I'll hit this thing, I'll hit upload, and I'll choose the file. When I do so, I'll have my file here, my file, and when I open it, remember this red color, it's mean that you still have a line at the end of the file, so you need to remove it. So I think I didn't save it. Yes, I didn't save it, and I'll save now. When I save the file, I refresh this page and re-upload the file. Reselect it. Now it's awesome. It says awesome. Okay, green. So it means that's okay. And now select plus. And if you have a country code in your file, please select country code. If you don't have. If you have the country code, you don't need to select it here. So I do not have, my contacts are for USA, so I'll choose United States. I'll type United States and I'll select this thing. If in case I have a country code in my contacts for every receiver number, if I have a contact, for every receiver number I have a country code, so I will remove this thing. So where my file doesn't have it, let me show you. This is the file I did it, so it's all 10 digits. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now I'll choose United States, and click complexity 10. And whatever number I have here, these are virtual numbers. Now I click select all and hit import. When I hit import, it will import all numbers. I hit import and the process begin. Please be patient with that, and the system will automatically upload all your data from your CSV file, and will keep on moving until the process is complete. So these are total 3 steps. You have to be patient here, like this, and it will keep on doing everything on its own. You don't need to worry about anything. Once done, the third step will be automatic assigning. So now automatically it will move you to the next phase, which is auto assigning. It's mean here your customer get assigned itself. Whenever somebody receive a message from you for the first time, they will keep receiving messages from you all the time. Whenever they get message, they will receive a message from the same number. They will not keep getting messages from the different numbers, but they will keep getting the messages from the same number from which they got for the first time. So it means if I'm Jimmy, I have received a message from you as your marketer, and I receive a message from you first time, then and it's a virtual number 111. So whenever I get the message from 111 and you send me next time a message as a bulk, I will keep receiving it from the 111. I will not receive from the different numbers. And here you go, you can customize your message according to your requirement. Okay, and we're still working on it more further, and you will love it. So keep watching, and in the next video we will show you how to scan your list before sending, and then you will be able to scan your list, and then you will have a clean blast and you will not suspend it. Thank you. So that was all for until the cleaning. So stay tuned, subscribe our YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and please don't forget to give us your idea, your feedback on. We love your feedbacks and really care it. Thank you.